This video shows how to replace print cartridge for the Xerox B105 and B115 Multifunction Printer. When the status light at the printer control panel is solid red, it is time to replace the print cartridge. Lift the top cover of the printer from under the control panel. Reach in where the arrow indicates Open on the right and pull up to release the inside cover. Then lift the panel in the center of the machine to reveal the print cartridge. Grasp the handle, pull it straight out of the printer. Caution: do not touch the green underside of the print cartridge. Use the handle on the cartridge to avoid touching this area. Before installing, slowly shake the cartridge 5 or 6 times to distribute the toner evenly inside the cartridge. Hold the print cartridge by the handle and slowly insert the cartridge into the opening in the printer. Close the top panel and the top cover.